welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Wednesday morning. I hope you do have a wonderful day today. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and I'm actually really excited. I think it's gonna be really cute. It is Spiffy socks. So with fall approaching, I thought this was super cute. I do want to say thank you so much to Spiffy Socks for sending this to me to review. I do appreciate it. I can't wait to see what is in here. I do want to tell you guys a little bit about the subscription since it is a new one to our channel. And I have some notes written down, so we will take a look at those and then we'll look at the socks. So Spiffy Socks. It is $11 a month with free shipping. Now you can get it as low as like $9.92 a month if you go ahead and prepay for like 3, 6, or 12 months. They are on Cratejoy, so I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. They do also have a code right now, Cratejoy10, to get you 10% off, so that is awesome. And they do offer socks for both men and women, so that is awesome as well. Now, these are actually bamboo socks, so they are really sustainable, which is fantastic. They're twice as soft as cotton, natural antibacterial properties. They wick moisture and combat odor naturally, so that can be appreciated. At least I know if these were for my husband, definitely. They are thermoregulating, so if it is cold outside, they're going to help keep your feet warm. If it's hot outside, they'll help keep your feet cool. And they're just naturally durable because, again, they're made from bamboo, which I think is fantastic. So, and it even says here, look at the package, extra comfortable, odor fighting, thermoregulating, and shock resistant. Spiffy Socks. The superhero of socks. So let's take a look in here and see what we got for July 2019. And I do appreciate that this was sent in like a mailer because I really don't send me socks or something, you know, something simple like this in a big box. I appreciate the mailer. I think that is awesome. All right, so there is a card. It says, I love Spiffy Socks. It says, every moment is a fresh beginning, including your nifty new bamboo socks. Awesome. And you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And it's all, for all three is Spiffy Socks Club. So that is awesome. All right, so let's see. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, what is this? There's something else in here. Oh, is this a little sticker? This is cute. Is this a sticker? It is a sticker. Oh, Frank, looking good, feeling good. That is so cute. And y'all, these socks are so adorable. They have little cupcakes on them. Aren't these so cute? You got me with the Carolina blue again. We're running here with the Carolina blue and I'm feeling it. I'm digging it. And then the cute cupcakes. So these are obviously not crew socks. These are like ankle socks. These are more like crew socks. Now, what I really like is, again, I live in North Carolina. It is usually always 100 degrees here. Now, obviously in the fall and winter, it does cool off some, but we really don't have a true fall and winter. I mean, it may get into like the 70s and 60s, but we have like 1 or 2 months where we're in like the 40s, 50s. So it doesn't really get that cold here. I do not typically wear socks, but I do enjoy a good, cute pair of socks like this to throw on my feet if it is a really, really chilly day and I'm just hanging out in the house, because I typically don't like my feet covered, but then again, it's also, when it's extra, just like that nip in the air, you want something on your feet. That is the only time that I will put something other than flip-flops on my feet. So I am so excited to have this super cute pair. I think the cupcakes are so fun, and they really, you guys, I wish you could feel how soft. They almost feel like cottony, silky soft. Like these feel so soft, and it is 75% bamboo fiber and 25% microfiber. And then it does have care instructions. It says to avoid shrinkage, wash with cold water, line dry or air tumble for best results. That is awesome. I am so excited. What do you guys think? Spiffy socks. So let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I will put a link down to Spiffy socks in the description, and that coupon code they have going right now, Crate Joy? Yeah, Crate Joy 10 to get you 10% off if you want to sign up and get some cute socks. So this again was Spiffy socks for July 2019. Again, let me know your thoughts. Let me know how your day goes. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.